because Maren's standing first.
Yeah. Hey, Maren, you want to do your thing? Do your thing. Okay, that's not your thing, but we'll take it. Good job, Miss Maren. Good job. Let's try. Hey, Miss Maren. There she goes. Yay! Good job. Yay! What big girls. What big girls. I love you.